Let's go! Alright, we're doing ramen again tonight. We got some ramen, and we're gonna be doing it, and we're actually not gonna be using those guys because we have a new sponsor, the $14 bottle of gin, Barton, and you can't go wrong with gin, especially when it's $14. It's got to be just the best, and I like that it comes in a plastic bottle, because you don't want to be breaking stuff when you're in the kitchen. That's rule number one of being in the kitchen. You wanna never be breaking stuff, because safety comes first, and them's the rules. Now we have some veggies over here. I started cutting them up, and then I got bored. I got distracted or something. So we're gonna grab our oil here. Alright, here we go. We got all the things in it. We got the garlic, celery, carrot, and some pepper, and I cut it up real nice like, and then I put it on I made the oil, and you put it on there, and that's how it cooks. Look at how beautiful it is with all these colors. Wow! You hear that? You hear that sizzle? Oh boy. Wowee. It's really doing a cook in there. While we waited, I grabbed red curry paste, this painfully burning hot sauce. I'm gonna put like one drop and it'll still ruin my taste buds for 5 days. Just some lemon juice. Cool. Not expired. Good to know. We've got our Ramens, of course. We're gonna put those in later, And then our last step is a little eggy, just a couple eggies on top. I like to put 3 eggy. And while I'm at it, I'll grab some some crushed red pepper. What else do we got? Ginger. Yeah, we got our ginger. We're all good. It's probably a good thing to have around for Asian dishes generally. What is this? Arsenic? Why do you have arsenic in the fucking spice cabinet? Crazy what moms keep around, Oh, salt. Gotta have salt. Else you're not gonna get your iodine levels up, and you will die. Alright, let's see how well I can do this while filming. Who knows? Oh yeah! It's not easy when you can't put your full body into it. I'm trying to stabilize my one arm. It's not really gonna work. That's fine. How's everyone doing tonight? Pretty good? How's everyone doing tonight? Alright, here we go. It's agua time. I don't remember how I did this last time. There we go. Getting some of that juice. Getting some of that juice going. Is that too much? I think I went a little too hard. Alright, let's get that Ramen! Just squeeze it out of there. I'm a top professional Michelin chef. You can't stop me. In the garbage with ye! Now hold on to these. Gotta break it up. Break it up! Is everyone having fun tonight? Yeah! More of this! Wow, that is strong! Half and half is the way to go. How you guys doing out there? All my one fans. Having a good... That's great. That's good to hear. I'm glad. Glad to hear that. I'm always here for my fans. Alright, let's toss some of that chicken juice in there. There we go. The dish is no longer vegan. My bad. Just kidding. Who cares about that stuff, you know? I'm from the deep south, and where if you eat a meal without meat in it, you're a cuck. I'm sorry. No, I went too far with that one. I'm going back to the punishment chamber. Right here. And here's the punishment chamber. I just have to sit here, atone for my sins. And we're back! Gotta keep an eye on that Ramen, or else it's gonna go bad. Or get burned or something. What am I doing? Alright, here we go. It's seasoning time! We got some crushed red. Just a little bit of crushed red. We got some ginger. Now you gotta be careful with this one because it's basically dust, so the rising steam will actually like blow it away. Just a little bit. We got the fucking ghost pepper hot sauce. 1 drop, please, just 1. Maybe like maybe 2. Oh no! Oh, we got a 3rd one in there. Mistake. I've made a mistake. Stir this up. Get it all in there. Get that dispersed so there's no one big huge chunk of fiery flame. Grab some of this curry. I keep forgetting what it's called. Thai something. Red curry paste. Just toss it on there. And then I'll give you guys a secret hint since you're such loyal fans. One of those secret ingredients that makes Asian cooking so good. And don't tell anyone I told you this, because I'll get in trouble. Soy sauce. I don't know. I know. I couldn't believe it either, but it's crazy. You just put it on there, and then all of a sudden it tastes like Asian food instead of regular food. And then yeah, once you toss the soy sauce on there, you're gonna hear it start to get a little loud, a little overexcited. And that's normal, because the food is like, ah, yeah, that's soy sauce. Give me some more of that! It's very easily excitable. So. Eggs time! Make a little nest! This is not going to go well with one hand, but I'll do it anyway. Cool. I'm gonna do the other 2 without the phone, so I'll be back in a second. Season your eggs! Always! I mean, hey, I love eggs as much as the next guy, but you gotta admit, they are just flavorless. There's just nothing there. What do I want? Chipotle black pepper, that sounds rad. Eggs are a medium, you know? They're a vessel, and you put stuff on them to use them as a vessel. You know, you can't just drink hot sauce. It's weird, but you put hot sauce on eggs, and it's great. Everyone loves it, and that's a good idea. Put some of the ghost pepper stuff on there. Good call, fans. It's looking great. It's smelling great. I put the hot sauce kind of got away from me, so these might hurt a bit to eat. But you know what? You live and you learn. That's what me papi always used to say. These eggs are just a little too jiggly jello-y for me, for my taste. So I'm gonna let them go for another minute or more. And we got, you know, the Ramen is starting to crisp up on the bottom, which is great. I love that crispy. Did anyone stick around to the end this time? Probably not. This was probably my least cohesive session so far. Give me this. You guys ever just drink gin? Wow. Crazy how stuff works. I'm catching some flack in the comments from XX Sonic Fan 420XX. And I gotta say, you're right. Celery does not belong in an Asian dish. But, hey, I made that minestrone soup the other day. You think I'm just gonna let this celery go to waste? That's stupid. Use it. Use it in whatever you want. It's America. You don't have to make the food the right way. You make it the American way. Which is to say, the wrong way. The heavily processed, over-fattened way, you know? Look at that. Look at that beautiful golden crisp on there. That's the stuff. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah! Yeah! The jiggle is a little bit more firm. That's good. I think we're good to go. Bam, bam, body slam. Here we go. Don't need a plate, because I am alone. My fork. I need my fork, though. Gotta have a fork. I wish we had chopsticks. But we don't. Because this is the deep south, and we don't know what chopsticks even is, you know? Ooh, still sizzling. That's how you know. That's how you know it's fresh and good. Like when you go to Chili's or Applebee's and the fajitas come out sizzling. That's how you know it's legit. That's some good stuff. Here you go. You ready for this erotic action right here? Oh no. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's oozing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful baby. I love eggy. Love to have me some eggy. Really spicy though. It's so spicy. I put too much of the ghost pepper stuff. I don't know why I'm doing this accent. Ah, I need my gin. Gotta have it. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm just trying to be a regular boy. But I keep slipping into this southern thing. Someone please help me. Here we go! Right into the sink. I'll take care of that another time. I wish I was like a Jordan Ramsay kind of guy where like I just had my own show where I cook stuff and then people would clean it up for me. But I'll never be a good famous chef like Jordan Ramsay. It's a shame. So, you know, I deserve to be famous. I bet Jordan Ramsay has a better spice cabinet than I do. And that just doesn't seem fair.